tonight, we celebrate the launch of Star Cinemas. Incredibly excited to finally share what we've been working for. As one of the owners and Chief Finance Officer of Star Cinemas, tonight is a dream come true for me. Because behind every investment is a dream. And behind every number is a vision. And behind Star Cinemas is a dream to create opportunities, tell meaningful stories, and build a platform that celebrates creativity and talent. This is more than just a business launch. It's the beginning of a journey to connect storytellers with audiences, foster communities, and bring an entertainment right to your fingertips. Building a streaming platform is not easy. It requires faith, commitment, and courage to believe in something bigger than ourselves. There have been challenges along the way, but seeing all of you tonight reminds us that every challenge is worth it. Star Cinemax is more than just a streaming service. It's a community, a place for creators and viewers to connect, share stories, and discover new favorites. What excites me about Star Cinemax is not just the movies that we will produce and release. It is the opportunities that we can create for creators, filmmakers, writers, producers, and storytellers who deserves to have their voices heard. We believe that there are so many talented artists, directors, writers, producers, and others who are just waiting for an opportunity to show their skill and talent. And one of our goals is to become a platform that helps discover, support, and showcase these talents. We believe that great stories can inspire people, connect communities, and create lasting impact. Through Star Cinemax, we have to become a platform where those stories can reach audiences, not only here in the Philippines, but around the world. So thank you again for being here, and we hope you will patronize and support us. And above all, enjoy your time with us. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Ana. Maraming
Thank you
salamat
so
po.
much.